Now we're creating a Ubuntu server VM on the Virtualbox. We click on the new and give the name of the VM. In this demo we're using UCPA Deployment Manager VM DMVM, and select Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. We just want to double check and correct 64-bit. Set the memory to 8 gig and create, and this time we'll do the 40 gig virtual drives for this VM. Virtualbox this image, and we'll change it to 40 gig, and it's on the local disk. And dynamic and create, and we double check the settings of this newly created VM. The network is the default net, that's good, and we check the setting on the storage right now. We want to point it to the Ubuntu ISO, Ubuntu server ISO we downloaded earlier to boot it up from the CD-ROM. And click OK. Make sure we're pointed to that ISO. At this point we can start the VM, and once the VM starts, the installation will start automatically. We'll wait till the system boot up. We will use all the default values come with the Ubuntu server installer. The default English, we hit enter. And install Ubuntu, enter. Keep the proxy blank and hit done, and mirror all default values. And the 40 gig drive we just cleared, done. And this one we need to use the down arrow, hit continue, and give it any names, is your name here. So we're gonna create a name with the space and capital letter. So this way we can differentiate this name from the username and server name. So server name basically will be your host name for the Ubuntu server VM. Now this time we do this is the first username, so we have lowercase and no space. And create a password. I highly recommend using the same Hitachi default password, or any password you use, please write it down and enter. All done, and we just wait till the installation complete. So now we can hit reboot. The virtual machine is rebooting, and once it's boot up, and we can log in and start to use this Ubuntu server VM. Now we can log in as a DM tester. And this Ubuntu server virtual machine is ready to use.